just got to the crib. Yeah, riding that today. OGE, he's pulling out the Beamer. This is Brent tuned already, right? Brent tuned and full exhaust? Yeah. Ooh wee. You know, I got a mini bike compared to this, but today ain't about like really mashing. We just chilling. Yeah, so we're gonna link up with a couple of people off of IG and you know, just go ride around with everybody. Try to keep everybody safe, maintain a nice, cool, little enjoyable day. And that's really about it. Let's jump on the bikes. So we got the group assembled. We got the track bike. We got a Panigale V2. We got an S1000 RR, and we got the Gixxer 600. He's got the max wrist setup, which is sick as hell. Gonna be some pretty good footage. We're just gonna go chill in the back road just a little bit. He just got his bike, put about 2,500 miles on it. So we're just gonna have a nice little relaxing day out in the sunshine in the valleys, and capture a little bit of footage. This bike is actually pretty modified. He's geared. He's got wave rotors. This is sick. M4 exhaust, rear sets, levers. Pretty standard setup, like for a really good street bike. This is the Torque Demon, daddy of the twins. I got a couple cameras on. He's gonna lace himself up. We've got. You about to take it around the block?
Test your might.
I don't want to do wheelies, but I want it to have power though. That still takes a getting used to.
12 o'clock midnight.
No way. No way. No, sir. No, sir. No! 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 Holy shit! No, sir! That was only like 40% throttle and it was doing this and I'm having to sit like this because it wants to chase the no! No, E! No!
Try mine. I don't think it's got but I don't
Don't try to pin a guy. Don't try. Okay.
I don't know how to turn off wheelie control though.
Oh no, I don't need none of that off. Cause this is a torque bat out of hell. Woo!
After these messages, we'll be right back.
up at the wall, just cold chilling. A couple people showed up here. Just enjoying our ride, enjoying our day. This bike's real cool. Dude just picked it up from a lady that was moving from Frisco to Oregon. He just went to AAA, insured the bike, and he's up here at the wall. So like, that's hella fresh. And him and his boy are riding up from North Berkeley. These guys just pulled up. Guy in the CBR pulled up. So we're just enjoying our time up here. Just getting some cool shots. A couple of dope cars. Yeah, I know. That's cool as hell. Ariel Adam with the K24 or K20. Woo! Couple of cool cars have been pulling through. A nice air-cooled Porsche a little earlier. Oh, look, Blood trying to get corners. So yeah, nice little chill way to spend the afternoon. He just picked that up. Some girl was moving to Oregon and let him have that for $1,000.
Oh, like there's a spool here I can bolt the supercharger on right there.
Yeah.
And, you know, a lot of people turbocharge them.
Mm-hmm.
They got the V Hayabusa where they put two Hayabusas
Yes.
together.
Yeah.
But, you know, the thing it doesn't need is more power. You know, it just needs more skill.
Yeah. Nice. So this is proving to be a nice day to be up here, man. A lot of shiny things, a lot of good sunshine. This is good stuff. Good chilling, man. Happy burger, good eats. Everybody's done for the day. Linked up with a few people, got a few contacts, you know what I'm saying? We got the Mac pulled up on us. We're gonna link up with him again a little bit later on. He's in the manual. We're gonna link up with him in the GT500 a little bit later tonight. I don't want no smoke. vlog. We're gonna cut that one short because we got something to do right now, and it's gonna roll into tomorrow. I'm up here vlogging for y'all. It's damn near gonna be 48 hours of vlogging, 24 hours of vlogging for sure. But we, go live. See what happened. Activate them. Matter of fact, the voice you hear in the back, we got the Mac in the building. We got some stuff to do. We're gonna do a little bit of chopping, but we finished the day on the bikes. We're gonna finish the night out on the cars. So I'm gonna have y'all tune in tomorrow for that.